we're doing over here is we're doing spark plugs and brake pads on this 2016 Chevy Malibu with the Ecotech 4-cylinder. So first off, I'm gonna go ahead and start removing this cover. So sadly, these stupid screws right here that look like, I have no idea how to describe it, they're hard to remove. So if yours is hard to remove like mine, and you don't have the tool that looks like whatever that shape is, what you can do is stick a flathead over here and just give it a couple whacks, and it would just be completely loose, and you can just loosen it by hand. You don't really have to go buy a stupid tool that fits in here and wastes you time. Just get a flathead and a hammer and you got it. I actually am not sure if I need to even remove this in first place, but it doesn't hurt. So you gotta remove this as well. There you go. Now we're gonna remove the heat insulation. Come on. It's gonna rip. Try not to let it rip. Now we have our coils that we want to, oops, see that? That's called corrosion or brittle. And I can't remove it now, so I'm trying to see. Trying to make sure this doesn't happen with the rest. Okay, that I just need a pick tool for it. All right, so got my pick tool. Try to see if I can just push this thing up. Oh man, I do not want to break this at all. Here we go. You don't have to go through this, obviously, if you don't break it, but I did. And if you broke it, just watch this. All right, cool. So, gonna go ahead and get our 10 millimeters and yank those out. Okay, so I went ahead and got my impact with some extension and a 10 millimeter. And take those out. Cool, this one's out. Put it right here. Same thing goes for this. Okay, come on. That one looks like it's a little bit annoying. Everything is breaking apart in this car. What the heck? Cool. Okay, so those are 14 millimeters. Right here I have a spark plug socket, and I'll go ahead and remove them. Please don't come at me in the comments for removing them with the stupid impact, because removing them is fine, but putting them on with an impact is messed up. So cool. So first one.
Second one. Third one. And the fourth one. Cool. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and install our new ones.
Okay, so go ahead and get my first spark plug, and I'm gonna get the extension out of here. Oops. You don't actually need to disconnect the battery for something like this, but if you want, go ahead. So go ahead and install a new first one. You going in straight? Yeah, it is. So I'm gonna do the same exact thing for the other ones. And now that we have our spark plugs in, I'm gonna go ahead and use a torque wrench, and those are 18 foot-pounds. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it at 18 foot-pounds exactly, and I'm gonna torque them up. Wow, that was really low. Sometimes I just wonder what the hell they're thinking about doing putting these spark plugs to such little torque specs. Let me make sure, am I on the right one? 20 between, yeah, correct, I'm at 18. And now that we have all of them torqued up, go ahead and put the coils back. I don't really have to put them back respectively of where they were. All I gotta do is just push them back in place. If you want to add some dielectric grease, you can. I just don't need to do that, so I'm not going to do that. I'm not really charging that much for this job, so it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna do what is necessary. And then I'm gonna get my impact in a 10 millimeter. Oops. Cool. Now I'm gonna kind of click this back, and I'm gonna click this in, this one, and that one. I can't lock this one, but I can lock the rest. This one won't really go anyway. Alright, I'm gonna put this back in here, and everything is back. This one's wobbly a little bit, but it's okay. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put the insulation back. Kind of funny how this goes in here. I don't know if this is, yeah, here we go. Okay, put the cover back. This, where's that stupid screw? We put it back in here. I'm gonna tighten it the same way we untightened it. Cool. Now we're gonna go ahead and start it and see how it's running. Cool. It's running without a single issue. Okay, we are not misfiring. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.